My name's Bill Grosbeck, and I had left shoulder replacement. The reason I scheduled an appointment with Dr. Chern originally was after years of gradually losing function of my left shoulder. It just got to be too much, so I came to see him. My quality of life before the surgery compared to what it is now is night and day. I could not participate in throwing anything. Lifting weights in the gym was very difficult. My range of motion was probably about 30% of what it is now. Initially, I was getting injections in the shoulder to help lubricate and reduce the inflammation in the joint. And that worked for about 2 years until it got to a point where there was nothing left in the joint itself to starting to grind bone on bone. My experience with the surgery was great, considering that I had it done during COVID. It was very safe, felt very comfortable. Had the surgery done down in Brick, and I was released the same day. My quality of life post-surgery is excellent. As I said, I'm back doing all the things I love to do. I can throw. I haven't been able to throw a football in probably 15 years. I have no problem in the gym with any weights, lifting. My flexibility is great in the joint. Back fishing and back in the gym. I ride my motorcycle constantly. Life's really good. My advice to future patients would be to not be afraid. I think a lot of people are very scared of shoulder surgery, and I had it at a relatively young age, and I feel great. I couldn't be happier with my decision.